Today, I decided that I'm going to be documenting how I am transferring, moving from using cotton facial cotton rounds to disposable ones that are not the best, and I spend about $6-7 every time I get them. So I decided that it's been a couple of weeks since I've actually wanted to do it, and I'm finally getting around to it. So I thought I shared the process, because who doesn't want to make them themselves? I actually was going to buy them, but then I got on Amazon and I got just places where I thought I might get the best deal, and then I thought again, what? Am I crazy? Like, I can make these for literally no money at all. Because one, you can use anything that you have in your house that can be recycled. So that is cotton, flannel. I actually had some flannel sitting around. I have this cream color. It's so soft, so soft. And I have this bumblebee print, also flannel. And it's just, I don't want to put it on my face right now because I'm wearing makeup, but that's what they're for. Anyway, yeah, so I will be making, I can make like 40, more than 40 with these two scraps and I bet this was like $2 worth. With that being said, there are some cheap reusable cotton pads, face pads on Amazon. I think you get like 16 of them for $9.99. If that is your only option, you should do it, because they're better than keep using these and you just create more waste. Anyway, I'm not here to lecture anyone. I'm here to motivate people. So with that being said, I will be making these, and hopefully you guys enjoy the process. Also, I do want to say this is very beginner sewing. Like anyone can make them. Anyone at all. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to be cutting my circles. I'm gonna be using this as my guide. I actually really enjoy the size of these. I might add maybe like 1/4 of an inch just to make it a tad bigger, but I really don't even know why I'm doing that, because like I said, I enjoy this size. This is my jar where I use them and they fit in there pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and draw a circle and cut a couple and show you guys the result. I am using just a non-toxic kids crayon and like an orange red, just so I can tell where the circle is. Once I got the first two, because it was doubled, cut out, you can see there's a little bit red marking from the crayon. I'm just not going to use the crayon anymore. I'm going to use this as my guide and just go to town. Cut as many as I think I'm going to use. I still don't know if I'm going to be using just two, or maybe I'll layer another one just so they can be real, a little bit thicker. Like I said, I haven't decided yet. I'll come into terms with that before I sew them. So I'm cutting some more. Here's my cute little stack. And like I said, I didn't even use all of my fabric. Now I'll be cutting some of the bumblebee material, which is super cute, and I think it goes very well with the theme of stop wasting. Do it for the bees. If you don't want to do it for the future humans, do it for the bees. Get started. so I'm gonna go ahead and start off by using my serger to go around the edge of these, and that's literally all you have to do. So let's get started. Okay, so I am done serging all of my cotton pads except for two, because I'm gonna do one with my sewing machine and I'm gonna hand stitch one. I did 2 layers simply because I like that they're not gonna soak as much product and they're firm enough. So yeah. That was super simple too, so I honestly don't know which way is better. I guess there really isn't a better way, because that got the job done and it did it just as quick as my serger. I guess I just use my serger because that's what it's for and I have it, but look at this. Same thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and stitch one and see how that looks. I bet it's gonna be just as easy. We'll find out. Well, that's it guys. That was all for this video. I ended up with 16 cotton pads, which is what you pay $9.99 for, I think, on Amazon to get them. Like I said, that is a super great option, but I really enjoy just making my own things and improves my sewing. I mean, it's just a thing that I like to do. If you guys enjoy this kind of videos, please leave me a comment down below. Also, ideas of what you guys would like me to see. I also love to recycle items into, like per se, adult items into children's items. I'll work on something like that. But like I said, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for sticking around, and I'll see you guys next time.